In this video, I will show you how to insert table in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see, we have this table. To insert table in Microsoft Excel, click any cell and insert, then table, and draw column and rows which you need, and click on OK. So now this is the table. You can make some changes here. You can give this table name. You can resize table. Select the new data range of your table. Then click on OK. You can remove duplicates, delete duplicate rows from a sheet. You can pick which column should be checked for duplicate information. If you have information and you want to remove duplicates in just one click, so click on it. And if you want to remove this header, so select this one. So unselect this box to remove, and to add again click on it. Also guys, you can insert this total row. You can add or remove these banded rows. Now this is the simple, and once you click on it, so it will show in this banded format. So this is the table style option, and here are some more options, more styles. You can select any option or any style. This is the light, in this medium category, and dark. You can refresh. You can export this table. Export data in this table to a SharePoint list or Visio diagram. So this is the advanced feature, and in the next video I will discuss this insert slicer. You can use a slicer to filter data visually. You can see we have this 7 column, and here you can filter out. So these two options we will discuss in the next following video for table. So this is the way guys you can insert table in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.